This is Tatay! You know, we have chocolate fruit. You know that? Graham! How about this?
Broas.
Bawal! We have apple.
Hindi. Hindi ang kasama.
We have Graham. Yeah. We have, I don't know what. Grain. Grain. We have Alaska. We have Alaska. It's
Tray.
This is Tatay. Everyone, she got some chocolate. Millions of pieces. Yeah.
Tara, ito na ginagawa sa chocolate. Ito na ginagawa sa chocolate. Ito na ginagawa.
Cutting.
Kape. Ron.
We eating every day. We are cooking mama. We are cooking mama. One more chocolate. Three pieces of chocolate. She cutting 1 million pieces and don't have no idea to do this. Delicious, everyone, delicious. Delicious things. Government, everything is done. Yeah, it's so delicious. Oh, that is a delicious Alaska. Won't eat it too much. It's very sticky, I'm like. Oh yeah, sticky. Next up, head, tinapay. Now mixing. Wala ng white, okay, great. Mixing again. Ano idea to make? Ooh, puting here. Putting something. Sauce?
Hindi yan sauce.
Eating chocolate again, so delicious. Putting some chocolate. You know that? Hello, everyone. This is thing that I left. Something, I don't know, this is thing called Graham. You put in Graham, it's crispy and honey. This one, oh my god, there's so many guys. Actually not cut my hands. This is embarrassing. Oh, it's so cool. No Graham. I think so, you said. You know, up here. Look. Let's watch it.
Ano kinakain mo?
Dahil malapit na ako ng chocolate. Chocolate? You know, chocolate is smart things. Okay, I wash my hands. It's Dada, you need more chocolate? Hindi ako pansin We're already done? We are not done? Holy That is aside from that sauce. That's called sauce. Yes, sir, Daday. Very much.
At ngayon, bigyan natin ng panahon.
This is delicious. Things I never seen at my town life. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six. We are done today.
Daday?
Bye-bye.